Making your website ADA compliant means meeting WCAG 2.1 level AA. This is the standard courts and regulators use to judge accessibility. In plain terms, it's the checklist that decides whether your site holds up if you ever receive a demand letter. A DA compliance isn't a one-time fix, but an ongoing process. Its job is to make sure people with disabilities can actually use your site and to give you a documented paper trail if your compliance is ever challenged. Any business with a public-facing website needs to think about ADA compliance, especially e-commerce sites, since online stores account for the majority of web accessibility lawsuits. In practice, compliance comes down to 4 steps. 1. Run an automated scan to catch the obvious issues. 2. Test manually for what automation misses, like screen reader flow and keyboard navigation. 3. Fix what's flagged, starting with critical issues. 4. Get a documented audit that proves your compliance efforts. The first step is always the same. Scan your site. The ACE engine checks your website against WCAG 2.1 AA and gives you a prioritized list of what to fix first, starting with the issues most likely to trigger a lawsuit. After you fix what's flagged, ACE Scanner can generate a documented compliance report with the kind of evidence that matters if your accessibility is ever challenged. Then it's just a matter of monitoring, since new content can introduce new issues over time. If you want to know exactly where your website stands, run a free scan using accessibilitychecker.org. Just use the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.